Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss write email to boss using ChatGPT. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. First, open any browser, click address bar, then type chat.openai.com. Then visit this site. I will type something now. And sending this command. Wait for a while, the email will be written. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. We will copy the email. Now I will open the email. Click compose. I will paste the email here. Change the name here. Type your name here. Type the email address you want to send to here. Once everything is correct, click on the send button. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.